Going on, everyone? Good afternoon. It's a nice Friday here in Florida. I just did the 4Runner lifestyle sequential turn signals on my mirrors. There you go. I got the smoke ones. I think they're the best looking ones out there. They were like $43 for both. Very, very easy to install. Let me do the other side so you guys see how they work. See the black, they're smoked. They have two options. I got the smoke ones. And they look good against the underground color. So if you want to pick a setup, go to 4Runner Lifestyle, and they got them there. Thank you, everyone. Take care.